Well, it is that time of year where holiday greeting is in order, so I thought I'd invite you into my little home, but not into my art room because we've been there before. But I thought maybe you like to just come over and visit with me and see the rest of my little humble abode here. There is a glimpse in my bedroom, the door to upstairs, closet and bathroom, and then our living space, which is pretty much it. I have a large family, and for most of my life I lived in big homes, big houses. I organized them, I maintained them, I cleaned them, and I'm so done with it. So we choose purposely to go small and simple, and so we have the basement of this one family home. I used to live here with my younger boys and we took up all the space, but now we live downstairs and my oldest daughter and 2 grandkids live upstairs. So this space was the den of the home, and of course the home only had one kitchen because it was meant for one family. So my very handy and talented husband built us a little kitchenette. And it's perfect for us. It's small, but it has everything we need, and he used recycled fence wood. I absolutely love it. I love the look. I like making my morning coffee in here. We only have one little induction stove top, and that works perfect. We only cook simple meals together with a crock pot and a microwave. We have everything we need. It has a tiny sink, and I just love the look of the raw wood. Of course, there are some decorations here and there. I even have a small pantry, and the curtain hides the home's heater because this used to be the heater and laundry room. So of course my fridge lives here because the kitchen is so small, and the microwave on top usually stands on this cupboard, but right now I have it decorated for the season. There is my door to the garage and to the garden and to the front. There is my little dining area, very small and simple, and then our living room, and here is our favorite plant. His name is Charlie, and he grows and grows and grows. He likes us. I can't say that for all of our plants. So up here are different decorations. Some are there always, some I added just for the Christmas season. Simple stuff, because most of my bulky Christmas decoration have been passed on to my kids. And here are 2 very comfortable big recliners. My husband works a lot on the computer to do his proofreading. I do my editing, and this is a nice cozy corner for us. And yes, we have a fireplace, and we use it if the Colorado winter gets really, really cold. Now, one reason I made this video is also so I don't have to appear in front of the camera too much, but there was a little glimpse of me. Now, the little stocking here on the wall I have had for a long time because all the elements were painted by my girls when they were much, much, much younger. So as you can see up front, the snow has melted. And here is a cat tree we built for our lovely tomcat. His name is Rusty, and he absolutely loves his bed. And as you can see, he is snoozing. He is very comfortable, and he loves laying up here and being able to watch the street and the happenings out there. Now, another reason we put him up here is also that he can go in and out freely by using this little cat door. So let's see, and then a little more on this side. Now, of course, my husband made this wall as well. We just love the little bit of cabin feel you get when you use this natural wood. And here's my little Bichon. You already know Millie. Millie, straighten up your ear. And she is snoozing too. This was a good time for me to take a video because even the kids upstairs are taking a nap. and a few more decorations, including some of my artwork. Now, most of my art lives in my art room because my husband and I have very different tastes. So here's little me. Hello, everyone. And that brings me nearly to the end. Let's see what else there is. Oh, we have one more decoration here. My husband took these photos. He loves to capture scenes from nature, interesting colors and shapes and textures, like this tree fungus over here. So we framed them and hung them up this way using drawer knobs. And of course, right now there are a few decorations as well. So back to my little Christmas tree over here. Over the years, I collected little decorations throughout my travels. So I have items from India, from Asia. We have some from Germany and the rest of Europe. There are some from Mexico. So these little things all have some memory to them, and I enjoy displaying them every year. And of course, my tree is small because everything down here is small. As you can see, we still have snow in the backyard, and in the summer we spend a lot of time out there. So I really hope you enjoyed this little tour of our happy place. I just thought you might get a kick out of seeing where I live and what it looks like here. And now, of course, I want to take this opportunity to wish you Merry, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Whatever you might celebrate, enjoy the company with your families and friends. I also want to wish you good health or healing, peace of mind, and lots of all the things you love for 2020. I, of course, have plans to continue my channel next year, even though YouTube does not always make it easy for us creators. But I figure I continue as long as it's fun and I enjoy doing so. I absolutely enjoy my interaction with all of you. And I want to thank you for your many comments, your encouragement, and all the fun times we do have together. I very much appreciate each one of you, and I hope you will continue to visit with me next year. Until then, bye bye for now.